Don't download Planworth Investing app before watching this. If you're considering downloading the Planworth Investing app, pause for a moment. Most people get this wrong, thinking it's a simple, risk-free investing solution, but the surprising truth is it may not align with your financial goals. Planworth markets itself as a robo-advisor platform that simplifies investing through automated portfolios. You select your risk tolerance, and the app manages your investments across a mix of ETFs and mutual funds. It's designed for beginners, promising a hands-off experience and personalized growth strategies. Here's the catch. While automation is convenient, it comes with limited customization. You can't choose individual stocks, nor can you avoid certain sectors. If socially responsible investing or niche strategies matter to you, Planworth may fall short. Fees are another consideration. Planworth charges a management fee on top of fund fees, which can quietly erode returns over time. For example, a 0.25% annual management fee may seem minor, but compounded over 10 years, it can reduce your investment by thousands of dollars. Another limitation is tax strategy. Unlike some premium robo-advisors, Planworth's tax loss harvesting and tax optimization features are minimal. If minimizing taxes is a priority, you may need a separate strategy or platform. In conclusion, don't download Planworth Investing app if you expect full control, tax optimization, or highly customizable portfolios. It's best suited for beginners who want a simple, hands-off investing experience and are okay with preset portfolios and moderate fees. Understanding these trade-offs ensures you make informed choices and avoid surprises that could impact your long-term returns.